In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your store name in Shopify. Now, in case you're wondering why you might want to do this, there are quite a few reasons. Maybe you've rebranded or found a new niche or simply want a name that resonates better with your target audience. Whatever the reason, changing your store name can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. Let's dive into both the web and mobile methods. Starting with the web version, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin through your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to navigate to the Settings option, which you'll typically find at the bottom left of the screen. Clicking on this takes you to a variety of options to customize your store. Once you're in the Settings area, look for either General or Store Details. The option you see will depend on the version of the Shopify admin that you are using. Don't worry too much if the names are slightly different. Both will guide you to the right place. Within this section, you'll spot a field labeled Store Name, or perhaps Store Details followed by Store Name. There should be an Edit option right next to it, which might appear as a pencil icon or simply say Edit. Click on this Edit option, and you can now type in your new store name. Feel free to take your time with this step. Your store name is key to your brand identity, so make sure it aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied with the new name, locate the Save button and click it to finalize the change. If you prefer to use the Shopify mobile app, this process is just as simple. First, launch your Shopify app and navigate to the bottom right corner to find the Settings icon. Tap it to proceed. Now you'll see a General or Store Settings option. Tap on this to enter the Details section. Here, you'll find the Store Name field, which is part of the Store Details section. All you need to do is tap on the existing store name, type in the new one, and hit Save. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to change your Shopify store name using both a web browser and the Shopify mobile app. Remember, updating your store name on Shopify is quick, but it's a significant decision, so choose a name that captures the essence of your brand and appeals to your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.